Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics questions for the student who is preparing for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start. And before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, then press the like button and share to your friend. Question number 1. The value of 2 into 12 minus 3 plus 4 into 10 minus 8. So, question number 1. 2 into 12 minus 3 plus 4 into 10 minus 8. That is 2 into 9 plus 4 into 2. That is 18 plus 8. That is 26. So, B is the right answer. Question number 2. Change 2.25 into fraction. So, 2.25, that is 225 by 100. 9, 4. So, 9 by 4. 1, that is 2 whole 1 by 2, sorry 1 by 4, that is 2 whole 1 by 4. So D is the right answer. Question number 3. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 96 and 8 respectively. One number is 32, then other number is. So 3. Other number, that is HCF into LCM by a number, that is 8 into 96 by 32, 3, that is 24. So another number is 24. B is the right answer. Question number 4. A man can earn 175 rupees in 5 days. Then in 25 days he will earn. So we can simply calculate it from unitary method. In 5 days he earn rupees 175. In 1 days he earn rupees 175 by 5. In 25 days he earn rupees 175 into 25 by 5, that is 35, 25, 5, 12, 75 plus 12, 87. So 875. So C is the right answer. Question number 5. 17 mangoes were purchased for rupees 85 and sold at profit of 20%. The selling price of one mango is. First we calculate the cost price of one mango, that is CP of 17 mangoes is rupees 85. CP of one mangoes is rupees 85 by 17, that is 5. So rupees CP equal to rupees 5. So profit 20%, then if CP 100, then SP 120. If CP 1, then SP is 120 by 100. If CP 5, then SV is 120 by 100 into 5, 6. So 6. So selling price of one mango is rupees 6. So C is the right answer. Question number 6. In March 2004, the price of a car was 67,000. In April, its price was rise by 10%. The price of the car at April 2004. So price rise 10%. So current price is 6700 into 110 by 100. So 007 13 7. So 73,700. So D is the right answer. The average of first 5 multiple of 3 is, so 7 first 5 multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So average is, that is 3 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 by 5. So it's become 9, 9, 18, 18, 12, 30, 30 and 15, it's become 45 by 5, 9. So average C is the right answer. Question number 8. Sheila went to market with rupees 80. She purchased 5 copies at the rate of 11 each and 3 pencils at the rate of 6 each. She was left with the amount. So she has rupees 80 at the beginning. She purchased 5 copies at the rate of 11. So cost of copies, that is 11 into 5, 55, and 3 pencil at the rate of 6 each. So cost of pencil, that is 6 into 3, it's become 18. So total expenditure is 55 plus 18, it's become 73. So now she has 80 minus 73, that is 7. So now she has rupees 7. A is the right answer. Question number 9. The area of a rectangle is 96 square meter. If its one side is 12 meter, its perimeter is. So area 96 square meter, one side that is 12 meter, other side that is 96 divided by 12, 8, that is 8. So perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into 12 plus 8, it's become 20 to 40 meter. So C is the right answer. Question number 10. A bus started from town A to B at the speed of 50 kilometer per hour, it's cover 1/3 of total distance in 6 hours. The distance between A, B, speed of the car is 50 kilometer per hour, so in one hour it cover 50 kilometer. In 6 hours it cover 50 into 6, that is 300 kilometer. So 300 kilometer is 1/3 of the journey. So total journey is 300 into 3. It is become 900 kilometer. So D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.